Did you all know that Himachal has its own pasta? Yes, you heard it right. I am talking about Shunali, which comes from the region of Kinnaur. You are surprised, right? Even I got surprised when I was introduced this by my neighbors who were actually from Kinnaur. So let's get started and let's start making Shunali. For Shunali, I have taken 300 grams of whole wheat flour. You can also take all-purpose flour. I've added salt according to taste, and we've kneaded a dough and we have let it rest for half an hour. Now we will take small balls of this dough and roll it like thick noodles. As you can see this, we are going to make exactly like this. This looks like thick noodles. Our Shunali is ready and I'm going to boil this now for say 10 minutes. As you can see, the noodles are firm and ready to be cooked. I'm going to remove them from the water and let it cool down for some time. We are adding 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 bowl of chopped onions. We will allow this to saute and let the color change into light pink. At this time, I'm adding 1 bowl of tomatoes. Once it's cooked for say 1 minute, we will add some powdered masalas. I'm adding turmeric, some Kashmiri chili powder, some coriander powder and salt according to taste. You can actually make this dish only with onion and tomatoes, but healthy is always good. So seasonal vegetables are always good to be added to anything. Here I'm adding capsicum. This curry looks amazing. I'm going to add Shunali into it. Now let's stir it. Our Shunali is ready now. Yes, it is that simple. Now I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. You can also garnish it with spring onions. Did you all realize how simple this pasta from Kinnaur is? Now you all please try this at home and do let me know in comment section how it turned out.